Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's topic, which is Solana. So if we're looking at the markets, you guys know we're seeing a little bit of red across the board. And if you need explanation, I really go into depth in my update for the entire market update that I make on a weekly basis. I strongly encourage you guys to go check that out. I went into detail what's happening with the altcoins right now and where I could see altcoins going in the next few weeks to come. But looking at the price of Solana right now, you guys can see it is currently trading at $19.28. We're down about 8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 7.3% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at $7.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is also currently sitting at 955.1 million. So if we're looking at the, overall price pattern for the price of Solana compared to the previous day, you guys can see the buying pressure has decreased and obviously the price has declined compared to where we were trading at yesterday. So what's happening? What are some next price targets for Solana, and is this a time to panic or is this not something to worry? Like I said, I've already explained this in my video that I made recently for the overall market analysis, but we'll jump into Solana price specifically and see what's happening and what are some next targets that you could be looking at. Are you going to get another opportunity maybe to scoop more Solana at a cheaper price? So that's what we're going to get into. But as always, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the price of Solana right now, it is currently trading at $19.25. So let's go on to the hourly time frame and see what's happening that way. So you guys can see Solana did go all the way up to $22 yesterday. And if you picked up some Solana on just March 10th, literally just on March 10th, after the USDC news came out, you would already be up, as of recording this video, 20%. But obviously you did see a spike all the way up to that $22, which was a move of about 40% in just a matter of 3 days. Yes, you've heard that correct. But now what we're seeing happen with Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a cool off, which is very much needed after seeing a 40% spike in Bitcoin's price in just a matter of 3 days. A large cap, the biggest coin in the crypto markets, we saw 30% gain. So what does this show us right now? Forget about everything. What does this show us? Imagine how fast these markets can move up in the bull market, and I've always said that, and we've seen that happen right in front of our eyes. Just the other day we've seen Bitcoin make a move of about 40% in a single day. We're talking billions of dollars flew into Bitcoin. So you guys can see how fast these markets move, and you have to have patience. You have to have patience once you invest in crypto. If you've done that, then your patience is all you need, and always obviously invest what you can afford to lose. So keeping this factor in mind, obviously there's a lot of interest coming in Bitcoin right now, and a lot of people are bullish on it, obviously knowing what's happening around the globe, financial and economy crisis that's going on around the world that is causing a lot of panic within the within the financial markets. So a lot of people are flocking to Bitcoin to see it's a hedge against inflation, might as well put our money there, and that's where we're seeing a lot of interest building up. But due to that, we're seeing that BTC dominance index, meaning money is more flowing to Bitcoin right now, which means the index will go up, and we're going to see altcoins lag behind. And that's what we're seeing happening right now with all the other altcoins. So right now Solana is currently trading at $19.30. We could possibly, if we lose this support, you guys can see, which we literally wicked around, and obviously was supported by this March 11th resistance, which is obviously a previous resistance beforehand as well. If we lose this, then we could possibly retest this $18.21 level of support. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of still about 6% further to go. So obviously if BTC were to retrace a little bit further, we could see that come about. So to everyone that's saying, Solana is the future, and I really love Solana, like I've said, and I'll say it again, you want to be, dollar cost averaging in, at the lowest price possible, because let's range out and let's look at the bigger picture. And I always like reminding you guys about the bigger picture. So right now, if we're looking at the bigger picture and where the current price is at, looks like the current price is nowhere to be seen. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, you guys can see that Solana is still down about 93% since its all-time highs. Long ways to go in my personal opinion, and I do see Solana hitting that zone once again, as you guys know on my channel. So even if this price were to come again, that is still a massive gain. And if we bring out the measuring tool, you guys can see that is a move of about 12, almost 13x. People will say that's not 100x. Who cares? 13x towards its all-time high, and I am projecting that we will reach that. And remember, on staking rewards, it's a proof of stake consensus. 71% of the circulation supply is being staked right now. People are earning passive income because they know what the bigger picture revolves around. But as always, I say diversify your portfolio. Never throw everything in one coin. Obviously, there's risk factors that are not in our control. Always diversify, and by diversifying, that's where your gains are being made. So have large cap, mid cap, small cap coins, keeps a balance, and in terms also reduces your risk factor. So that's something I would definitely encourage you guys to do so. But right now, obviously due to Bitcoin's a little bit of a cool off, which is very much needed, is causing the entire market to kind of have a cool off as well. But overall, guys, Solana is looking quite well. We possibly could retest that zone, but obviously right now we should have our eyes on Bitcoin. But that is it for today's update. Continue liking, commenting, and subscribing. See you guys tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.